Welcome on in, everybody. I'm Cam Toner here, and this is the first 2-minute tutorial Tuesday. This is where we're going to be going over all of the basics to cardistry, so different grips, different one-handed cuts, just some simple things for beginners, or even if you're an expert at cardistry, to kind of go back to the basics and learn maybe a new technique of doing something, or to spark some creativity from just some basic moves. We're going to be doing them every week on Tuesdays. If you have suggestions, please send them to us. These are going to be a couple 1-minute videos on Instagram, but on YouTube this will be a full video, so thank you so much for watching. And yeah, let's get into our first 2-minute tutorial Tuesday. Say that 10 times fast. Do it. You won't. You won't. 2-minute tutorial Tuesday. 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 2-minute tutorial. The first tutorial Tuesday we have for you today is we're going to be talking about grips. So the first grip is something called dealer's grip. So this happens in one of your two hands. I'm right hand dominant, but when you deal out cards, I deal them out with my right hand. So I do this. So whatever hand you hold the deck in, that's going to be your dealer's grip hand. Thumb along the side here. This corner kind of touching the fleshy part of your thumb. Pinky, ring, and middle on this side. Index on top. And yeah, that's our first grip. Next grip I want to talk about is called the straddle grip, which is very close to the dealer's grip. All you do is you bring your pinky around and you can straddle it like this. So you bring the deck out from your wrist and boom, you're able to have the deck in straddle grip. I also do this in dealer's grip. I put my pinky down here, just secures the deck better, allows me to move it wherever, and you can see that I'm holding the deck between these 4 fingers, and my thumb's just kind of there to do whatever. Now with your other hand, we're gonna go over what biddle grip is. Biddle grip is with your non-dealer's grip hand, so in this case my right hand, and I come over and I put my thumb on the back of the deck where my pinky is, and then I put my middle index on the front, and that's biddle grip. So you can go into what's called a raised dealer's grip, which is anything raised is just holding it at your fingertips. So it gives room and space in between. So that is what raised dealer's grip looks like. This is raised dealer's grip. This is raised straddle grip. So it's just bringing the deck up more by your fingertips. Charliere cuts do this to give you room. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please leave a comment down below of something basic that you'd like to see on the 2-minute tutorial Tuesdays. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday.